Welcome to another video. This video is on length and we're going to look at the conversion of millimeters, centimeters, meters and kilometers. Length is a measure of the distance between things. In New Zealand we use millimeters, centimeters, meters and kilometers to measure length. We can use rulers, tape measures and digital lasers to measure length. Right, here are some key things we need to know about length. There are 10 millimeters, which have this unit mm, in 1 centimeter, which has the unit cm. There are 100 centimeters, which has the unit cm, in 1 meter, which has the unit m. And finally there are 1000 meters, which has the unit m, in 1 kilometer, which has the unit km. So there are 10 millimeters in a centimeter, 100 centimeters in a meter, and 1000 meters in a kilometer. If we want to change millimeters into centimeters, we're going to divide by 10. If we want to change centimeters back into millimeters, we multiply by 10. If we want to change centimeters into meters, we divide by 100. If we're changing meters back into centimeters, we multiply by 100. And if we're changing meters into kilometers, we divide by 1000. If we're changing kilometers back into meters, we multiply by 1000. Alright, let's get into some examples. Example number 1. A4 paper measures 210 millimeters by 297 millimeters. Change these units into centimeters. So, quick look at our diagram. We're changing millimeters into centimeters. So we're going to divide by 10. So 210 divided 10 makes 21 centimeters. And 297 divided by 10 makes 29.7 centimeters. Example 2. Change 5.2 kilometers into centimeters. Well, another look at our diagram. We're changing kilometers all the way back into centimeters. So we need to multiply by 1000 first and then multiply by 100 second. So 5.2 times 1000 times 100. That gives us 520,000 centimeters. Example 3. Usain Bolt has run the 100-meter race in 9.58 seconds. We need to change 100 meters into kilometers. So let's have a quick look at our diagram. We're changing meters into kilometers. So we need to divide by 1000. So 100 divided by 1000 makes 0.1 kilometers. Example 4. A kitchen set has cupboards that are 2,223 millimeters tall. So we're going to change 2,223 millimeters into meters. So once more we look at our diagram. We're starting with millimeters and we're moving twice along the scale to get to meters. So we're going to divide 10 and divide 100. So 2,223 divide 10 and then divide 100 gives 2.223 meters. Alright, example 5. The height of the tallest mountain on the planet, Mount Everest, which is in Nepal, is 8,848 meters. Change 8,848 meters into kilometers. Well, one more look at the diagram. We're changing meters into kilometers. We need to divide by 1000, so 8,848 divided by 1000 gives 8.848 kilometers. Right, thank you very much for watching.